I bought this E58 drone, and I live near a pond, and I ended up in the water with it. It just, I couldn't control it. It went straight down into the water. It actually sunk about a foot, and I went in the water and grabbed it and blew it dry, let it dry for a while, and actually nothing happened to it. It was still okay. Amazing for that. So I decided, just in case that happens again, I'd make some floats. So I bought these 2-inch styrofoam balls at a hobby store, and this is what the package looked like. They're very light. They weigh practically nothing. I think they're less than a sheet of paper in weight. So what I did is, on these front legs on the E58, where the drone usually lands on when it's down on the ground, I put a hole with a pencil into the styrofoam ball, kind of like that, on a little bit of an angle, because the leg on this thing is on an angle, as you can see. So I just push that in like that, and now I have a float on these two corners. On the back one, I cut a groove like that so it would fit inside the arm, as you can see. And then what I did is I took a file and I filed a groove all the way around from that spot, looking at it like this, all the way around. And I just made a groove. I know it's hard to see on this camera, but I made a groove all the way around it like that. So when I put this on, make it a nice snug fit, I can put a rubber band around it to hold it onto the arm of the drone like that, so it stays on pretty good. And I tested this, and what I did is I got a trash can cover and I filled it with water, and I flew the drone into the water and out of the water. And I have a little video clip that I can attach to this video so you can see how that works. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with everyone. And now when I go down in the water, I'm not worried about the drone sinking in the water. So anyway, okay, I hope that helps. Just give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks.